Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on probability from GATE CS Computer Science 2011. So it says a deck of 5 cards is shuffled thoroughly and 2 cards are removed one at a time. So one by one. What is the probability that the 2 cards are selected with the number on the first card being one higher than the second card? Let's say the first card is F and second card is S. So we want F to be one higher. So F should be S plus 1, just one higher. And what are the number of what are the cards we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So in this case, now that the cards are removed one at a time, so let's say these are the first and second card. So what is going to be the sample or number of sample space? The first card can be like in 5 ways we can take it out, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, any of it. So we can take it out in 5 ways, and then once the one of the card is removed, we will be left with only 4 cards, and then one of the card can be removed in 4 ways. So NS is going to be 5 into 4, which is going to be 20. So there are 20 ways in which we can take out this card. You can also find this in the terms of 5p2, right? Arrangement of 2 cards out of 5 cards. Now we want the first, so this was about the sample. I'm not discussing each of the sample, but this is the number of samples. And the event is getting F, the first card, to be one higher than the second card. That means what are the number of cases we can have? One higher. So can we have, let's say F and S, can we have the first card to be 1? No, because then we cannot have anything for the second card. If we have F equal to 1, 2, then we can have 1 as the second card. If first card is 3, second card can be 2. First card is 4, second card can be 3. First card is 5, second card can be 4. So that means events are 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3 and 5, 4, which is like number of events is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the probability of our event is going to be number of events by number of sample space, which is 4 by 20, or it can be 1 by 5. So we have 1 by 5 as an option A. This is going to be the answer.